Hello guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today I have the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC sedan. This will be a point of view drive of the new E-Class. Looks very stylish. The interior look, exclusive black leather and wood trim on the upper dash with these horizontal lines, very elegant. It is, however, fingerprint as well as scratch magnet, so you gotta be careful with this section of the wood trim. The steering wheel is the heated one, has leather as well as black piano or wood trim on the outside. I love the design here. And this is it, the new E350 2022. Show you guys a spec sheet so you don't doubt it's a 2022 E350. MANUFAKTUR Diamond White metallic on the exterior. Now, by the way, this E-Class is a 2-liter inline 4, and engine output 255 horsepower with 273 pound-feet of torque, and it's a very elegant car. Let me show you guys the exterior features real quick. On the exterior, I mentioned the MANUFAKTUR Diamond White exterior color. This E-Class has the AMG Night package, which means these sections will be high gloss black, the side mirror housings, the window surrounds finish in high gloss black, and front section also has some high gloss black elements right down here. These outer air intakes finish in gloss black elements. There is a fully functional section right here for the airflow, and AMG line exterior package on this E-Class, which is the diamond block grille right here with these pins finish in chrome and one horizontal bar. By the way, this E350 has active distance electronic systems, which is housed right here on the Mercedes Star. Front facing camera. That means the active distance electronic provides active following distances to the traffic ahead of you, can maintain lane changes as well as following distances and braking for your drive experience. Wow, I love the single eyebrow, daytime running, and multi-beam LED lights. These are intelligent as well as adaptive lights. That means they are auto dimming depending on the time of the day. In the evening, they do provide some cornering features as well. Very large bulb right here and a smaller one, and they have a horizontal LED between these two and Mercedes-Benz insignia. Love this look. Diamond block grille, Panorama grille in that feature, and see the high gloss black right here all around. Looks very stylish. Now let me go to this other side. Power domes on the hood right here, and because of the AMG line exterior, it has the upgraded wheel options. These are the new design sport wheels, and they have high gloss black as well as silver accents, or it's the other way around really. Silver brake calipers right here. The front brakes perforated, and these are very large discs. You can see the size of these with the Mercedes insignia. These are more aerodynamic wheels. You can see this design right here, and the size on the front tires 245/40R19. These are 19-inch rims. Very stylish in my opinion. Finish in high gloss black to match the windows because of the AMG Night package. This other side, rear tires, same design. Size on these rears same as the front, 245/40R19. These are 19-inch rims. By the way, don't forget chrome door handles right here. Keyless entry. All you need is a key in your pocket. Approach the car, slip your hand here, and the car opens up just like that. All right, let's check out the back section here. LED light package, gorgeous LED lights which wrap around from this side to the other side. These look very elegant at light, very bright as well. E350 insignia on the left, 4MATIC on the right hand side, and chrome horizontal bar right here just to add to the elegance of the car. Lower section of this E350, real exhaust tailpipes, see that, which is awesome. Very gentle rear diffuser, and the additional high gloss black element right here. As I mentioned, this car has the AMG Night package. Trunk space, about 13 cubic feet of storage inside here. I have my camera gear, which I use to film videos with, but deep enough. Electronic trunk close is a bonus for this E350. All right, that's a quick look at the exterior. Oh, on the roof, panorama glass. All right, the interior look, all black everything. Love these seats, very soft, very comfortable, full leather, Nappa exclusive. Love this pattern design, exclusive black seat belts. Space, let's sit back here. I want to show you guys the space. There is more than enough space back here. Make sure I can unlock this door once I get in. Headrests, comfortable. There is about 2 inches above my head. There's a handlebar right here, and a reading light right here. And legroom is decent. I've moved this chair all the way back, so as I drive the car, you can really experience the point of view drive experience, but there is more than enough room back here. I'm 5'10". Burmester speaker system right here, heated seats at the back, and this is a view from the back section for your passengers, and the panorama glass right here. Climate controls will be down here, and it is a very stylish car. I love this look. Let's step outside. So what do you guys think of this E-Class? Leave a rating 1 to 10. Real quick, let's go check out the engine, okay? Open this window so the car can really cool down. It's an unusually warm day, but I love it. Okay, here it is. This is the engine of the E350. It's a 2-liter inline-4 engine. Mercedes has really downsized on this midsection models of their range, but it looks good. Very simple. I'm gonna close this now, and this is it. Let's go for a drive, guys. I'm going to set seat kinetics, comfort, which provides side bolstering support. Then I'll go back, swipe up to themes, set the sport theme. I will set the key down here. Set the car to Sport Plus mode. Even in Sport Plus mode, the gear changes, you can barely feel them. There's a slight nudge as you change gears, but that's about it. There is a ton of information on these screens for the driver, from your fuel consumption to lighting, autonomous driving, and very balanced. It's a very soft ride. Definitely I'd recommend an E350. Obviously if you want more power, go for the E450, which I believe is about 362 horsepower. This is 255. Same engine as a GLE 350, believe it or not. As I mentioned before, the steering wheel is a fingerprint magnet, same as the screen. You can see the fingerprints. We'll need to wipe this down once I bring the car back. Real quick, MBUX system options. Pretty much standard. Phone menu. And the navigation. I'm going to engage the navigation system. And this is the nav system. Set it to, oh, by the way, if you start to veer off onto the lanes, you get a vibration on the pedals as well as the steering wheel, just to let you know that, hey, you veered off the road, you need to maintain lanes. All in all, I think I love this car. Obviously, it's a good price point. Very balanced, elegant. Again, it's not for everyone, but I'm hoping to start getting more cars such as the CLA. It's just that we have no inventory right now, and that's part of the challenge with getting new cars or filming new cars, is because there are no cars to film. And that's a quick look at the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC sedan. If you do like this video, please consider subscribing and be a part of this channel. Until next time, guys, stay positive but test negative. Peace. Alright, where am I gonna park this guy? I have an idea. I'm gonna park it right here. Good enough space. And it does have 360-degree camera system. Let's browse that through quick. Has a parking system. Make sure I park properly. And that's a quick look at the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC sedan. Hit subscribe, leave a comment. Peace.